In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the minimap settings here in Destiny Rising. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Destiny Rising content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do first after you do load into Destiny Rising is actually select the menu icon up in the top right corner. This is going to be that little ghost icon just like so, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. From this menu, go ahead and select settings down at the very bottom, and it's going to pull up a new page. And on the left hand side menu, go ahead and select effects. From here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you're going to see an option that says mini map mode. From here, you could switch it between fixed mode or rotating mode, depending on what feels more comfortable for you while playing. So choose whatever preference you would like. And then when you exit out of the settings, the game is going to save it automatically. You also notice that your minimap is going to update right away, but that is it. That's how you can change your minimap settings here in Destiny Rising. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, but if you do have any questions, just ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.